Greetings, this is a quick tutorial on the lemonade stand. Let's go get the instructions from the internet or from your email if you've received them by email. You can also get them off my website, DennisGDaniels.com, Lemonade Game, where I've updated the information often for your benefit. Now, let me go ahead and sign in, and I'll pull the email just the same way you will have received it. If you didn't get the email again, UASD computer class, log in to my email, sign in, and I will get the same email, same instructions that you have. I'll show you how I would do this assignment. So, there's the inbox. Let's take a look at the email that I've sent you. Open it up to sent mail. There it is, and get the instructions for lemonade, and there's the instructions right there. Lemonade stand, rationale, skills, etc. Now, the lemonade stand, we've already gone through it for some weeks now. If you haven't, if this is all new for you, go ahead and read through the notes. Here's the game. Here are some resources, lots of links to support your questions, lots and lots of videos, keyboarding, Excel functions, of course your friends. You can email me if you have any questions. You can of course get some extra credit, although I need to change that. That should be Camstudio. Alright, start Excel. There's the first product. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and start Excel. Start Microsoft Excel, and I will open that part up, and the first thing you're going to do is type temperature. If you've already got your document or your lemonade game stand finished, that would be great. You can use the temperature that you use there, but we'll just go ahead and assume that you don't have it. 53, 40, 63, 78, 84, 91, 92, that's fine. So there's my temperature for the lemonade game. You already have 30 days of data here, so those other 30 days should appear in your document, but we're assuming that you don't have it for whatever reason. So we're going to change the value here, or we're going to set our if statements. We're going to, if the temperature is below 40, if the temperature is below 40, then we're going to set our price at 0.15 cents. 0.15, and we'll do the same here. 0.5, we'll set it to 0.717, and if it's more than 60, we'll set it to 0.2, and 0.7. We'll set it to 0.25, and 80, if it's more than 80 or less than 80, we'll set it to 0.30, and if it's over 90, F2 to fix that. See the period I put in the front? Doesn't matter right now, but then 90, we set that value to 0.35. Now, all of these are if statements. Okay, let's go take a look at the if statements. The if statements are right in here. I'm going to do a Control F, copy. Now, that's the instructions for copying it. Because I'm using Firefox, I can F3, and it'll do the search again. Copy and paste your column headers and function in a new sheet. Here are your column headers for your original sheet. Day, cups of lemonade, potential customers, etc. Now, here's product 2. Product 2 is right in here. Here's the instructions for it. If you have done your search, you are looking for the word copy, there it is. Copy this for a test. So we're going to copy this piece right here. Control C to copy. Alt Tab back into the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to click in the cell there. I click up in the function area as well. That works. And I hit the enter key. What happens? Should get a false. Why am I going to get a false? Because E3 doesn't have any data in it. There's E3. So I need to F2 this, F2, Control Z, delete, Control Z, escape, F2, and when I click in there, I'm going to change that to A2. I'm going to change this to 40, and I'm going to change this to 15. Enter. Now, because it's greater than 45, or greater than 40, and the temperature is 45, I'm going to raise the price to 15. Now, if I do this, everything is going to be increased. See that? Now, we'll do the same thing here. Click in the function box, change that, go over here, change that to 17, and change this to A2 again, change that to 50, because here's my 50 right there, hit the enter key, false. Click and drag to fill in the function, and there's the price. Okay, raise price to 17. And we can go ahead and continue to do that all across the way. If I drag that over, it's going to take the same function. So I click in there, F2. No, F2 should have worked. F2. Now I'm going to change that. See, it's B2. That's not right. A2. And change that to 60. Remember, I put the numbers in here to help me remember, so I'm going to put that to 2. And now I click and drag that down. Grab the corner handle, click and drag. Now I go over here, double click on that, and it automatically spreads out the numbers, or spreads out the columns to match the width. Quick, easy, copy and paste. This is not the most beautiful spreadsheet, and your if statements, we hope to build on your if statements to make them a little nicer, but you have the idea. The assignment is to complete these 3, or these 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 columns, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 rows. It's not difficult. It's a copy-paste exercise with a little bit of algebra in terms of you having to modify the numbers to match your columns. Thank you for watching, and happy computing.